best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you joined me. Today is hashtag cathysowinghappiness video in which we're going to make butterfly clusters. But first, let's have our shout out to Pam, Kelly's Cruises, Stephanie, Nancy, Sherry, and Jane. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, you guys, I did prep a little bit so the video can be shorter. I punched out some little tags here. And this is the size that they are. Can you see that? There we go. There's a little tag and there's my punch. I punched them out. I have an assortment here. I've got a solid and I've got 3 prints. I inked around the edge with my weathered wood. I have some beautiful, a beautiful doily that is in this beautiful shade, and I kind of chopped it up and I inked around the edges a little bit. I have an assortment of blue and green butterflies from My Porch Prints that I fussy cut and I inked around the edge. And I have a little bit of lace for decoration. And I have my paragraph words, script. And so let's begin. I'd like to take my solid colored tags and I'm going to lay them out. I'm going to get my script and I'm going to load up some ink on my script, and I am going to go ahead and put some writing on here just like that. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. I've got a wet wipe so we can wipe this up, get this one down, and let's just keep going here because I'd like to make about 3 just to show you how the different colors go together. Now you can make this with whatever you choose. You do not have to have butterflies. If you have something else that you would like to use, then that's what you should use. So here we go. We've got all of them stamped with our cute little script. I'll wipe this up real quick. Alrighty, let's lay these back down. These are going to be the base, the ones with the script. And then we're going to lay these right here, kind of on the edge towards the bottom, just like that. I have one extra. We don't need this one for the demonstration. Now I'd like to glue those 2 together. So let's just get this done. Now this is Cathy's Garden. This is hashtag cathysowinghappiness video, in which we will have our drawing at the end of the video, and you will win Happy Mail from me if your name is drawn out, and you are able to enter into next week's drawing by simply doing an act of kindness and telling me about it in the comment section below. As simple as letting someone in traffic, helping someone get something off a shelf, something that will make somebody's day happier. We don't know what's going on with people, so we need to try to be kind and spread happiness towards each other. All right, so I am going to go ahead and lay some of this doily right down, just like this. Just like this. Let's see, which way do I want this one? Guess I'll go this way. There we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and put some lace right here on the edge. And let's do this one. And let's do this one. There we go. These are so simple and easy, and you'll be able to place them on your journaling pages for that extra something something that you're going to need. Sometimes you just need that extra something something. I think this green one would be beautiful right here. Let's get this green one right here. Oh yes, I like that one. And maybe a paler one. This pale one's pretty. Let's make him go this way. Oh, those are adorable. All right, so let's go ahead and put a little bit of glue right down the center of the body of the butterfly. We're going to get our bling and our pin, and we're going to place some bling right here on the body of the butterfly for that extra something something, and it just makes it so pretty. All right, let's get this done. Whoops. There we go. Here we are. Oh, I'm loving these. Okay. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look how cute these turned out. I love them. Okay, you guys, let's have our drawing. Let's bring in that fishbowl and let's just pick our winner. Okay, here we go. And our winner is right here. Move the fishbowl out of the way so I don't accidentally drop it back in there. And open her up. Who's the winner? Christy B65. You're the winner of this week's hashtag Cathy Sewing Happiness. Oh, you guys, I have had great fun. And if you've enjoyed this video, I'd love to see you in my next video. See you soon, guys. Bye now.